Every other headline's got me wondering if my gig's safe.
Totally. It's like, how do I get ahead without selling my soul?
They're using AI in the coolest way. AI rewrites it, tailors it, and blasts it to 50 companies in one click.
And the best part, you don't need a fancy degree or some secret handshake to get started. AI can summarize your notes, plan your week, even draft emails based on your scribbles.
Whoa, so I could dump my chaos in there and it's sorted out? But what if I'm a total newbie, like zero experience?
Hey, everybody. Welcome to Mint AI Starter Sessions, the podcast where we unpack how artificial intelligence is flipping the script on everything we know and how you can jump in and ride the wave. Whether you're a side hustle dreamer, a creative soul, or just someone who's like, what's all this AI hype about? You're in the right place. Today, we're digging into why AI is basically the new gold rush, and stick with me here, how free beer ties into it. But first, let me toss this out there. Are you feeling the squeeze to level up your income these days?
Oh man, who isn't? Between rent, groceries, and that random subscription I forgot to cancel, the pressure's real. And don't get me started on job security. Every other headline's got me wondering if my gig's safe.
Totally. It's like, how do I get ahead without selling my soul or my savings to some overpriced course I'll abandon halfway through?
Yup, been there. Scroll X for 5 minutes and you'll see a million people wrestling with the same thing. How do I make more cash, stay relevant, and not lose my mind in the process?
Here's the kicker, though. Most folks don't realize the answers staring them in the face. AI is not just a buzzword. It's the biggest opportunity we've got right now. And here's the wild part. It's actually fun to mess around with.
Okay, let's ground this for a sec. AI's not all sci-fi robots and PhDs coding in dark basements. It's showing up in places you'd never expect. Like, get this, Coors Field in Denver, home of the Rockies. They're using AI in the coolest way.
I love this story. So Coors Light rigged up these AI-powered cameras all over the stadium. What are they hunting for?
The poor souls stuck in the nosebleed seats, roasting in the sun like forgotten hot dogs on a grill.
Right? You're up there squinting at the field, shirt soaked, dreaming of shade, and boom, AI's got your back.
Yeah, the cameras spot you, and next thing you know, your phone buzzes with a text. Hey, suffering fan, how about a free Coors Light, ice cold, delivered straight to your seat?
I mean, come on, that's brilliant. You're miserable 1 minute, sipping a frosty beer the next, all thanks to AI, not SpaceX, not some Silicon Valley giant, Coors Light.
It's almost too good. Makes you wonder if a beer company's using AI to win fans. What's everyone else up to?
Exactly. And here's the real question. What could you do with it? Maybe you're into art and want to whip up some mind-blowing design.
Or you're a small business owner who needs a slick website like yesterday without hiring a dev for $5,000.
Maybe you've got a side hustle brewing. AI can help you brainstorm, market, even automate the boring stuff.
Or picture this. You're job hunting, and instead of tweaking your resume 50 times, AI rewrites it, tailors it, and blasts it to 50 companies in one click.
And the best part, you don't need a fancy degree or some secret handshake to get started. It's wide open.
That's what Mint AI Starter Lab is all about. Getting you in the game, hands-on, no gatekeepers.
I'll be real, when I first dipped my toes into AI, I was clueless. I thought it was all tech bro territory, way over my head.
Same. I was like, am I going to break something? Do I need to learn Python? Turns out, nope.
Yeah, it's way friendlier than that. One day I typed a random idea into an AI tool and bam, 5 minutes later, I had a full-on video. No camera, no editing skills, just text.
That's nuts. Wait, tell me about that recipe thing you made. What was that?
Oh, dude, so I built this AI tool that scans your fridge. Well, you tell it what's in there and it spits out a killer recipe. Like, hey, you've got chicken, rice, and that questionable broccoli. Here's dinner.
Okay, I need that in my life. And then you took it up a notch with the avatar, right?
Yep, I made an AI version of myself. Same voice, same vibe. It's out there hosting webinars while I'm chilling with coffee.
That's borderline superhero stuff. And you're right, it's fun. Way more than slogging through another rise and grind motivational rant on YouTube.
Oh, for sure, but let's hit the elephant in the room. People keep asking, is AI gonna steal my job?
Yeah, it's a legit worry. You see those headlines, AI can write code, design logos, even drive trucks. It's freaky.
Here's my take. AI won't replace humans, but humans who use AI, they're going to lap everyone else. It's like the calculator didn't kill math, just made us faster.
Spot on. The folks who jump on this now, learning it, playing with it, they're the ones who'll be running the show in 5 years.
Think about the internet. Early adopters built empires, Amazon, Google. The latecomers are still trying to catch up. AI is the same deal.
And it's not as hard as it looks. Like ChatGPT, you ask it something, boom, instant answer, no coding required.
Or take Midjourney, type futuristic city at sunset, and you've got a masterpiece in seconds. Frame it, sell it, whatever.
There's even stuff like Descript for podcasts. AI edits your audio, cuts the ums, and makes you sound polished without breaking a sweat.
It's a game changer across the board. Business, art, even just organizing your life. If you're stuck in a rut
or itching to make extra cash, pick up a skill, or just feel pumped about what's next,
Mint AI Starter Lab is your launchpad. It's free to kick off, project-based and built for beginners.
just go to www.aimint.academy and jump in. Oh, and if you sign up this week, there's a sweet perk. What's the deal?
You'll snag a downloadable cheat sheet, 15 free AI tools you can start using today, no fluff, plus an exclusive AI Pioneer badge for joining the crew.
It's our little high five for stepping up. But don't sleep on this. AI's moving at warp speed.
Seriously, what AI can do today, like generating 3D models or writing songs, was sci-fi a year ago. Blink, and you'll miss the next big thing.
The early birds are already cashing in. Freelancers on Upwork pulling $50 an hour for AI gigs. Artists selling AI prints on Etsy.
Imagine if you'd started tinkering with AI 6 months back. You could be automating your inbox, prototyping a product, maybe even banking some side income by now.
That's the vibe we're pushing. Start small, experiment, have a blast. AI is not just tech, it's a creative playground.
And if Coors Light can use AI to sling free beers, you've got no excuse not to play around and see what clicks for you.
All right, let's dig deeper for a sec. How do you even figure out where to start with AI? It's such a big world out there.
Great question. I'd say pick something you're already into. Like, are you a writer?
Yeah, I dabble, mostly bad poetry when I'm bored.
Perfect. You could use AI to polish that poetry. Tools like Pseudowrite can take your rough lines and make them sing.
Wait, really? It won't judge my terrible rhymes?
No, it's your co-writer, not your critic. It'll suggest tweaks, even finish stanzas for you.
Okay, that's tempting. What about if I'm not artsy? Like, I'm more into organizing stuff.
Ooh, AI's got you there too. Ever tried Notion with its AI add-on?
Notion? Isn't that just fancy note-taking?
It was. Now it's next level. The AI can summarize your notes, plan your week, even draft emails based on your scribbles.
Whoa, so I could dump my chaos in there and it's sorted out?
Yep, like a personal assistant who never sleeps.
All right, sold. But what if I'm a total newbie, like zero experience?
Start with something dead simple. Canva's got AI baked in now.
Canva, I use that for my lame flyers.
Right, but now you type vintage travel poster and it designs it for you. No dragging clip art around.
That's cheating, but I love it. How long does it take?
Like 2 minutes. You tweak it, download it, done.
Okay, but what's the catch? Is this stuff expensive?
Nah, tons of it's free to start. Canva's basic AI is included. ChatGPT has a free tier. Midjourney's got trial credits.
So I could mess around without dropping cash?
Exactly. Dip your toes in, see what sticks. No wallet required.
All right, but what about the big leagues, like companies using AI?
Oh, they're all over it. Take Netflix.
What to watch suggestions?
Yep, AI is why you get Stranger Things shoved in your face. It knows you binged Dark last month.
Creepy but accurate. What else?
Spotify, those playlists. AI is curating them based on every song you've ever skipped or replayed.
So it's why my chill vibes playlist is all lo-fi beats?
Bingo, it's learning you, adapting in real time.
Okay, that's slick. Any smaller players doing cool stuff?
Tons. There's this coffee shop chain, Dunn Brothers, using AI to predict inventory.
Like how many lattes they'll sell?
Yep, cuts waste, saves cash, keeps the line moving.
So from beer to coffee, AI's everywhere.
And that's just the start. Imagine what's coming next.
Like what? Give me a sneak peek.
Think AI tutors, personalized lessons for your kids' math homework.
Or mine, I still suck at fractions.
Or AI fitness coaches, custom workouts from your phone.
Okay, I'd actually use that. Where do I sign up?
That's the thing. Some of it's already here and more's on the way.
So the longer we wait,
The more we miss out. It's why Mint AI Starter Lab exists, to get you rolling now.
all right, that's a wrap for today's Mint AI starter sessions. If this lit a spark, smash that like button, subscribe, or share it with a friend who's ready to level up. AI is not waiting around. It's here, it's now, and it's yours to grab. Catch you next time.